I moved to Carmarthenshire in 1989, when my mum and dad retired and bought their dream cottage. After mum and dad died, I was the sole owner of this property. I wanted to move on, but I was advised not to sell the property as a road widening improvement scheme had just been announced that would affect the frontage of my house. Then on the 3rd of July 2000, I was flooded out by the road improvement scheme. The line on the wall of my property shows the level the water reached outside the house. Thankfully, the doors held and there was only 2 or 3 inches of flooding inside. This shows my driveway after a month or so of me digging the mud away. The illegally high wall that was built, twice as high as it should have been, has never been fully explained. This was eventually rectified, as you'll see in later photos. Here you can see oil and diesel oil spilt on my driveway by Griffiths engineers, and to the bottom right hand side you can see a discarded fuel filter. This shows the extra drain, the V-drain that was added into my standard drainage system. And here is the drain up the road from my house that kept overflowing and contributed to my flood. And it wasn't long, just a month or so, before the pressure of the water was actually breaking this brand new drain. I had to live for 2 years in these conditions with bare concrete floors because the driveway wasn't completed and water would still seep under the front doors. This is the drain that they eventually replaced the drainage system across the road with. And this is after 3 years of me in argument with them when they eventually did give me my driveway back and put the wall to the right level.